I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, peers.
We have over 200 free book bags and supplies that were donated. If you know someone that would like a bag with supplies, they are available in the cafeteria. They will also be available at open house on Wednesday evening.
Speaking of open house, on Wednesday, September 15th from 6 to 8, we will have our open house for all families to come and see what Pierce looks like and meet the staff. Make sure your teachers will have good things to say about you.
I'm with the new librarian of Pierce Middle School. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Sterling Felix. Y'all can call me Miss Sterling. I've been here for almost 3 years now, and I've actually loved the students and I love the energy from the teachers, so it's always really fun. This is my first year as the media tech. Last year I was the attendance liaison and cheer coach.
Has it been hard to be the librarian recently?
Yes, it is a lot of Chromebooks. Please keep them clean. I appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you for interviewing.
Thank you so much for having me.
Free breakfast time has extended to 8:25 for all students. If you are on the bus, you will receive breakfast no matter what time the bus arrives.
Robotics team meetings will be starting soon. Let Mr. Clark in room 7D know if you are interested. You can also send him an email. Anyone who is good at teamwork is welcome.
Finally, please make sure to wash your hands, keep your face mask over your nose and mouth, and the kids' place is social distancing. The battle against COVID isn't over. We need your help to win.
Have a good day, peers.